Good morning, everyone. It's Marcy, and I'm excited to be here with my 200 subscriber giveaway. And before I get into the giveaway, I wanted to let you know we're now in November, and Dear Julie has come out with a new challenge. So I'm going to be continuing my Craft With Me for Christmas series because I'm really enjoying that. But probably a couple of days a week, I'm going to need to be working on my Dear Julie challenge. So a couple of days a week, there will be a video involving the Dear Julie challenge because I don't want to let that go this month. Okay. So, I just topped 200 subscribers, and so of course it's giveaway time. So what I've got, I'm only going to flip through one. I've got 2 paper packs, and they all have the same stuff in it, but they have pages from the same books, so on and so forth, but different because they're different pages out of the book. So I'll set this one aside and flip through. So first, I've got this folio that I had made, and inside each one, you've got a sheet of music paper from a 1940-something children's music book, piano lessons. And these blue stars, if you don't want them on whatever you're doing, they peel up pretty easily. And there are some markings on some of the pages. That's pencil, very easy to remove. So you've got that. I've got a sheet of children's manuscript paper. Everything in here is very eclectic. I just went through and started picking stuff out. Okay, so you will get a library card catalog card, a library checkout card, a flash card, a little 6-inch doily, some note papers, a napkin. It's all about paper. Up here we've got a random project life card and a little card that I made. And here you've got a coin envelope all ready for you to decorate. And inside the coin envelope, we've got 5 random postage stamps, 5 random stamps plus 4 vintage Double D discount stamps. I thought those were kind of fun. And all of those are tucked into the coin envelope, which of course you can use. And then if we come over to this side of the folio, I've got some more note papers. I've got a book page from one of my wildlife books. And I've got some lined papers. These papers, I've left them all intact, so they're ready to go into a journal. Here I've got a page from my Roses book. Beautiful images on that. More lined paper. There's a lot of lined paper in here. I like using lined paper. Thought this was really pretty. this lined paper, and then has a saying, and each one is different. This one says, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within." Ralph Waldo Emerson. So I thought that was really neat. And then underneath here, we've got some sales slips and a form from Missouri Railroad, vintage. And let me pull all of this out. We've got a manila tag, a green guest check and a pink guest check, a paper sack, 3 tickets, a page from my bird book, and this one I was not, this book was glued in. I was not able to leave it as a signature. And then in this little upper part, you've got 4 ice coupons, a vocabulary card, and a little bitty manila tag. And then outside the folio, we've got really nice big book pages, again from a floral book. I like these images. They are in black and white, but they look like sketches. So you've got that. You've got some green graph paper. You've got some lined paper here. Got a ledger page. More lined paper. Another vintage form from Missouri Pacific Railroad. And another, this was another wildflower book. And these images also look like sketches, but the coloring on them, I don't know if it will come across on camera. There's a little bit of color. The rest of it, it's almost sepia toned. It's not black and white like the other one is. But you'll see each page has just a spot of color, and then the rest is in this sort of sepia tone. And that is what you will receive in the giveaway. Now, how do you enter the giveaway? First, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. Second, you need to share this video on your social media, whether it's on you share a link on your own YouTube channel, whether you share it to a group that you're a member of, whether you share it on your own Facebook page. And in the comments, you need to let me know where you shared it, and tell me one thing you'd like to, one little small thing you'd like to see me try to make as part of my Craft With Me for Christmas series. I'd be interested to see what you would like to see. In your comment, leave me a message. Let me know where you shared your social media and something you'd like to see me make for the Craft With Me for Christmas. The deadline to enter the drawing is midnight, Saturday, November 7th. Winners will be announced on Tuesday, November 10th. And the 2 winners will have until midnight, Saturday, November 14th to email me their name and address. So please share this video. Be sure to leave me a comment letting me know where you shared and what you'd like to see me make for your chance to win one of these 2 lovely paper packs. And until I see you again, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll talk to you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.